Imagine India going on a world tour, collecting global report cards. First stop is New York, which is the home to UNDP, World Bank, and IMF, where India receives the Human Development Index, UNDP, the Gender Inequality Index, again by UNDP, the Multidimensional Poverty Index by UNDP and Oxford Institute, the World Happiness Report by UNSTSN, the World Development Report by World Bank, the Global Economic Prospects Report, again by the World Bank, but the World Economic Outlook by IMF. Memory trick is New York equals to human feelings plus money deals. Link them all here. Then let us go to London, where the Economic Intelligence Unit EIU releases the Democracy Index, the Global Livability Index, and the Cost of Living Index. Remember London as Parliament plus livability. Next, we go to Geneva, the meeting hub of the World Economic Forum, the World Trade Organization, and the International Labour Organization. Here, India gets Global Competitiveness Index by the World Economic Forum, the Global Gender Gap Report, again by the World Economic Forum, the Global Risk Report, again by the World Economic Forum, the World Trade Report, as the name says, by the World Trade Organization, and the World Employment and Social Outlook related to labor, so by the ILO. Then remember that Geneva, the headquarter of these organizations, is equivalent to forums and trade. Next stop is to Rome, which is the headquarters of FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. Here India receives the SOFI, which is the State of Food Security and Nutrition tag, which is FAO, IFAD, UNICEF, WFP, WHO. And also related to FAO is the Global Hunger Index, which is being asked. It's by the Concerned World Life and World Hunger Life Germany. Memory over here is Rome, the headquarter, remember as food and hunger. When you roam, you feel hungry, food and hunger. Then let's go to Paris, home of UNESCO and RSF, providing the Global Education Monitoring Report, which is UNESCO's World Heritage List against UNESCO, and the Press Freedom Index, which is Reporters Without Borders in Paris. Next, let us look at Berlin, where WIPO, Geneva-based, publishes the Global Innovation Index, WIPO World Innovation related to global innovation, and German Watch releases the Climate Change Performance Index. Many names to remember. We stop here and see you again in the next one.